Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Welcome back to my shop. Well, I've gotten a little bit more done on the chest of drawers. I'm just in the process of just doing a whole lot of sanding, but I still got the top to fit. I got the drawer fronts to fit, and I've got drawer pulls to put on. Once I get everything sanded up, then it'll be time to finish. But unfortunately today is a day of cleaning. I don't know about you, but whenever I start to clean up the shop, I find some organizational things that need to be tweaked, and so I start working on them. So I never get the shop cleaned up. I've made quite a mess of the shop, so I'm going to spend time doing that today. And then maybe next weekend I will get to this, because unfortunately I'm still working, so I only get out here on weekends, and I can only get done as much as I can get done. So that's about it for this week. I'm gonna continue on with this. I want to do some things with my power carving, but today's just cleaning, boring stuff. All right, you guys have a great week in the shop. Take care.
Ooh, shiny.